What I wanted to show you here is the Garmin HomePort program and how it records the actual depth along your tracks as you're cruising, which is very cool. So just to give you a little bit of background, we use the Garmin GPS Map 5212 on board, and we can record a track. So you can actually lay routes down, but then you can, as you're cruising, record a track which takes your GPS position automatically and records where the boat actually did go. So this is what the device looks like, and there's a little slot over here where we can put an SD card in, and we can transfer the recorded tracks from the boat onto the SD card, and then we take the SD card and we import them into this program that I'm going to show you, which is the Garmin HomePort program. So this is the HomePort program, and it runs on your PC. And so what you do is you put the SD card in your PC, and then you just go to File and then Import, and that will get you all the information that you want to transfer from your Garmin units. And we have the 5212, but I think most of the Garmin units on boats work the same way. So once we're in HomePort, we can see the list of these are routes over here on the left-hand side. So here's one from Venice to Sarasota that we programmed in as a route. And down below, this is the icon here, the bottom left-hand corner, that shows the tracks. So the track that we've selected is this full track, the one that's over here, and you can see it in this top panel as represented by this green line. And the bottom chart here is the depth profile. So as you can see, this has actually charted the depth along our track as we followed this green line. And you can see on the bottom axis here, we started at 0 miles and we ended up at 16. So this whole trip was 16 nautical miles. And as I move my cursor along this graph, at some point you'll start to see in the upper there, you can see that little red arrow coming in. That corresponds to the depth. So as I move the cursor along the depth chart, the upper cursor changes to the right corresponding location. So it's really cool the way this thing records what your depths were. If you did hit a low spot, or you hit bottom, heaven forbid, then you'll be able to see exactly where it was on this track. So it's kind of a neat feature. I really liked it, and just thought I'd share it with you. Thanks.